We need to take responsibility for our deficit and reform our government. That's how our people will prosper. That's how we'll win the future.
President Barack Obama's 2012 budget plan and the likely Republican response won't win the future for at least 3 reasons. Obama proposes spending $3.7 trillion in 2012 and figures to trim the deficit by $1.1 trillion over the next decade, which is another way of saying that the budget does nothing to balance spending and revenue. In fact, it adds about $8 trillion to the national debt over the next decade. The best case scenario is that national debt grows from 62% of GDP to 77% of GDP in 2021. And there's absolutely no reason to believe that. In just 2 years, Obama's deficit projections have already had to be massively revised. His original estimates were way off because he grounded them in super optimistic revenue and economic growth projections, just like he's doing now. There's little reason to believe that the Republican counterproposal will be any more substantive. Prior to last fall's election, GOP leaders released their Pledge to America, which was both vague and uninspired, showing only the slightest difference in spending than the president. Since winning a majority in the House of Representatives, the GOP has dilly-dallied over cutting even $100 billion out of 2011's $3.6 trillion budget. This is no way to fix a bipartisan budget mess that was many years in the making. Worse still, it looks as if it'll get much worse before either Democrats or Republicans are moved to real action. For Reason TV, I'm Nick Gillespie.